Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Self-Exclusive. I'm Tammy. I am so happy that you showed up. Well, I was sitting here in my car and I was going to the store and I decided that I got to thinking about why I got to goal setting and planning and budgeting and everything. So I decided to shoot you a quick video and tell you a little bit about me and about my channel and just get to know you. As I said, my name is Tammy and my channel is Self-Exclusive. I got to setting a budget and goal planning when I was 19. I had my first son when I was 19 years old. And I was told that it would be very hard for me to go to university and graduate because of my situation. But I had wanted to go to college. I knew that at 7 years old that I wanted to go to college. Didn't know what I wanted to do, but I knew I wanted to go to college. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to college. Nobody can tell me I can't, and nobody can tell me I can't graduate. So I graduated high school with a baby, applied to university with a baby, and got in. It was hard. I got my first job a little bit after I started university. I was a full-time mom, full-time student, and full-time employee. But you know what? I made Dean's List and I graduated. It was hard. I'm not gonna lie, it was hard. But during that time, when I started university, a little bit after I started university, I started writing things down. And I don't mean just making lists. I started writing things down in my calendar, when this was due, when that was due. And that's when I kind of started learning how to budget. I wasn't really budgeting the way Dave Ramsey does. I am a follower of Dave Ramsey, and I wasn't budgeting exactly the way he was, but I was on a budget. I kept up with my money because I had a baby. I need to know where things went. And it became a habit. It became a habit. So I was thinking about all the years I've been budgeting, all the years I've been planning, and all the years that I have just been doing what I'm doing. I have 2 great sons out of it, and I couldn't be happier. And a little bit about my channel. My channel is Self-Exclusive, and my plan is to do budgeting, planning, and setting and achieving goals. So I am so glad that you're on this journey with me to see me work out my goals, get them done, achieve them, see me budget, see me planning. And I can't wait for you to help me write the next chapters of my life. Well, you really won't be writing the next chapters. I'll be writing the next chapter. But you'll be along for the ride. So that's good. That's good. See you soon.